What is triad? What is alliteration? What are rhyming words? What is repetition? How can I apply them into my speeches? Hey there, I am Nancy Shah. I am a trainer, public speaker, anchor, voiceover artist and founder of Speaker Circle. We started this initiative to help people develop their public speaking skills. We conduct our interventions online and now gradually offline, and you can also be part of it. All you need to do is fill up a Google form. You'll find the link of the form in the description. Well, in today's video, I am going to give you guidelines regarding Level 2 Project 2, Make It Creative, where we are going to apply a lot of speech ingredients, figures of speech and much more. Let's get started. By this time, we have learned creating a basic speech with opening body, conclusion. We applied body language, voice modulation. We also learned how to check about grammar and language and make it better. All these things are there, and of course they are required and important, but now it's time to add value into it, add variety into it and make it creative, and that's what this project is all about. The next question is how to make it creative. Well, there are various ways. We want to suggest you a few things. First, add speech ingredients. There are different ingredients which can make your speech more meaningful, specific and creative, like name, dates, facts, figures, numbers, data and statistics, or word pictures, or even humor or poetry, quote. There are a lot of other things. We have already created 2 different videos wherein we have explained 11 important speech ingredients. You will find the link of those videos in the description. You can go check it out, learn and apply in your speeches. Now I want to suggest you a few more things through which you can make it creative. First, use triads. We have already created a video where we have explained it. I'll just brief you. When you're using something in number of 3 words, sentences or phrases, that is triad. Secondly, you can try using rhyming words. Like while I'm talking right now, I can create a rhyme through my words. Third thing, you can add figures of speech like simile, metaphor, repetition or even alliteration. When you hear something and you like it, there are high chances that they are using all of this or some of these ingredients into that sentences. So try applying them into your speeches as well. You'll find all of the links in the cards over here. You can check it out. And of course, you need to add your personal examples, stories, quotes and data, statistics and anything that you find suitable for the speech, because I've already explained it many times, so would not explain it much, but they also make your speech creative. One important tip that I want to give you here is you cannot write creative directly, okay? You need to first write plain and simple, whatever comes in your mind, then review, rewrite, edit, add more things into it and make it better. So it's a process and it has different stages. So step number 1, write anything that comes to your mind. Second, read, add few ingredients, update and then rewrite, re-edit and finalize. One last thing, if at all you're using a ready-made content which you have read somewhere or somebody has told you something which you are applying in your speech, still try to make it creative in your own words, own descriptions by using word pictures, because through that people would be able to connect with you very easily. The next thing that you need to do is select a topic which has a scope of using all of these things together in your speeches. Of course, don't expect yourself to apply all the ingredients, or don't expect yourself to apply all the figures of speech into a single speech. We have explained everything right now. Try doing whatever you can, and of course you can do it in other future speeches as well. Note that time for this particular speech would be 6 to 7 minutes, so ensure that you remain in the timeline. Once you're done with your draft, send it to your buddy, get it reviewed, and if you need any help, you can reach out to us as well. Once you're done, book your slot with Speaker Circle, and I wish you all the very best for your next speech. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're wondering that what this is all about, well, this is part of Level 2 Project 2 as per the Speaker Circle education program. If you need any further information, get in touch with us by filling up a Google form, and yes, yes, we go live on this YouTube channel every Thursday 7:30 p.m. where we do different activities like movie review, book review, poetry recitation and much more. I'll see you there someday around, and bye bye.